How to blur video in CapCut PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your CapCut application and then click on to import. From here, select any video that you would like to edit. Once done, you will see a page like this. And from here, you can click on to import and add the video file that you would like to edit. In my case, I already have added this dog video. Now, as you can see that this is a completely normal video. In order to make this video blur, you have to click onto effects on your top bar, then search for blur. Simply type in blur and click enter. Once done, you will see various blur effects. Choose the one that you would like to add, and you can simply drag this to your video. Now let's go ahead and play. This is how it's gonna look like. If you want to try another effects of blur, you can do the same. Just drag down the effect to your video and click play. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.